Hey everybody, it's Nikki with Nikki B Creates, back to show you another DIY using our Chalkology permanent ink. I'm going to do some face masks. Clearly everybody has to wear these things, and I picked up a couple masks and I was like, you know what, this will be perfect to do our little minis on. As you see, I'm cleaning off my ink mats. I had some old fuzz that was on there from a couple of the projects, and I just took a disinfectant wipe, cleaned that, and as you see, it's sticky all over again. Taking my new mask out of their wrappers and just putting it on the ink mat. Because it is a double layer material, the top layer does not firmly secure to the ink mat, which is okay. I'm just going to make sure that I smooth it out really well when I place this transfer down, so that there are no wrinkles and chances for that design to bleed underneath the transfer. So I'm just opening up a couple of my new inks. Got this really pretty couture coral for our flamingo, and I'm being really careful with our squeegee to get in between those waves. Just gonna use my disinfectant wipe to wipe off any excess ink on. And I always want to check my hands, as you saw, to make sure I don't get any ink, because as I do end up pulling up this thing, I had a little teeny bit of ink on my hand somewhere, and I ended up getting it on my mask. But no worries. I'm going to take a little Tide stick to go to that and try to get some of that off. It won't come all the way off, but sometimes you can make it work, and sometimes you just chuck it up and say, oh well. Starting on my next mask, I'm going to be using our shimmer gold to do the starfish and the sand, little specks of sand that you can kind of see around there. And then I'm just going to use our bright white to fill in the words. I absolutely love these minis. They can be used so many different ways, and so when I ordered these masks, I was like, I've got to do some masks. And I certainly can't wait for our new minis that are literally coming out on July the 15th. We have some really cute designs that are going to be available, and for any new designers, when you sign up to become a designer like myself, you will actually get those new minis in your new kit. So here you see me trying to clean that up with that Tide stick, and then I'm just taking some parchment paper, putting that over the top of the design, putting the iron on there for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, because we want to get that permanently set with the heat. And then I'm just making sure that I do the other side as well with any of our designs, and I'm just putting that heat back on there again, and voila, it is all finished. I absolutely love these. As soon as I went out with these masks, I immediately got compliments and people asking me where they were from, and I got to tell people that I made them myself using Chalk Couture. I'm thinking it would be really cute to have these available as a DIY kit. What do you all think? If you're looking to become a designer like myself and start a business, our spring summer kit is now available. This is one of our biggest designer seasons, right for those wanting the fresh new releases of the year, so don't hesitate to jump on board. You can work your business by selling your finished pieces at local events and fairs, hosting workshops and parties, as well as simply creating some amazing personalized decor and DIY gifts, shirts, and more. To check out all of our amazing products and services, go on over to nikkibcreates.com. My square shop contains finished items that are ready to ship. You can also find the link to my personal Chalk Couture site and catalog full of amazing products and examples for you to see the variety of ways you can create beautiful pieces that will definitely have people asking you where you found such great decor. To enroll, go to nikkibcreates.com, and I'll see you all again soon.